Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Jax's Door Icon from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the center and let's draw a sideways oval for the head. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve across the center for the top of the mouth. And then a large U-shaped curve underneath to finish it off. Now inside, let's add the teeth. From the center, let's draw a diagonal line, and then 2 more on both sides. Now on top, let's add the eyes. Let's start in the center and let's curve it up and over to the right. And then a curve on top. Now let's do the same thing for the left eye, but we're going to make this one a little bit taller like this. Now inside each eye, let's add a curve down. And then color the right sections in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and add the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw an angle up, curve it around, and back down. And then hop over to the right side and do the same thing. And that's it for the head. Before we draw the body, let's draw the circle shape around. Let's start in between the ears and let's draw a curve across. And then continue it all the way around underneath and back up to form a circle. Now that we have the shape of the icon, let's move in and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head a little bit towards the right and let's draw 2 angled lines down for the neck. Then at the top, let's draw an angled line and then color that section in black. Next, from the bottom of the neck, let's curve it out and then down, and the same on the other side for the shoulders. And then lastly, underneath each shoulder, let's draw 2 curves down for the tops of his overalls. And that's it for Jax's door icon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!